step is we check the accuracy of the MAR, and then next we're going to check the expiration date of the medication, and then we're going to perform an hygiene, and then we're going to provide privacy with closing the window and closing the curtains, and then we're going to introduce ourselves to the patient, and we're going to identify the patient. We're going to identify the patient, which is the name and the birthday. So after the birthday,
Then next is I am going to mention this
and then we're going to explain to the patient the steps, and then we're going to tell the patient that there is a burning sensation in this injection, and then we're going to compare the MAR and the medication that will be given to the patient. And then we're going to wear gloves if the patient is allergic to latex. We're going to use latex-free gloves. So first is we're going to check select an appropriate site for our patient. So first we're going to check if there are any bruises or inflammation or any edema. So to select appropriate site, just 4 fingers in the acromion process. So 4 fingers. 4 fingers. So this is my appropriate injection site. So to do this is we're going to
Tura naman.
Take a hose swab and then clean the injection site with a hose swab. And then we're going to use the Z-trap method. We're going to prepare the needle and syringe. Then we're going to use the Z-trap method. Then first is the cotton swab in our 3rd or 4th finger. And then Z-trap method. Then here is our bevel up. Then check. Then hold. Then press slowly. Then retract quickly in place and instruct the patient. Instruct the patient to hold the cotton. Lightly lang miss. Then switching method. Then we're going to position the patient in a comfortable position, and we're going to discard any needle that we used, and then we're going to remove our gloves and then perform an hygiene. And then we're going to stay with the patient to observe for any allergy reaction, and then we're going to observe for the patient's response to the medication during onset, peak, and duration of the medication. And then we're going to inspect the site for any bruises, and then we're going to chart for the medication dose, route, site, time, and date.